Today is May 30th, 2020. The birds are announcing that they've had a good day, and they'd like you to know about it. In fact, the birds are so happy with their day that they have been singing night and day lately. On this beautiful shining day, may you remember you are part of nature, and nature is part of you. And if you nurture your nature, you will naturally grow beautiful, varied, strong, and bright. It's better to get inspired by being outside and breathing in and breathing out and observing the exuberance of nature, especially lately. There's some good things and some bad things. The good things is we've all had time to take walks and slow down and think about what's important in our lives. And I know I have, and I am excited to be coming back to the public sphere more and to share with you so many things I've learned in my life, my love for music, and my work in the past and as an opera singer, my travels to India, adventures in spiritual consciousness and development, my struggles as a single mom, as a caretaker of my own mother, and all kinds of things. So remember to connect outside to nature and just be quiet enough to breathe with the wind and the breeze of the leaves. And remember that you are a human being. And as my beloved late brother would say, and because you're a human, you make mistakes and you're not always perfect. Or as Hans King, the great clairvoyant and spiritual teacher, would say, there are no mistakes. You are perfect as you are. There's only learning experiences. So with that, I wish you a happy weekend, and we will talk again soon.